built to truly last. Display shows the juice, lightning poured in hand. Versatile and compact, best in all the land. 25,000 L, fast charging like a flash.
Hello, hi, namaste. I'm your curious creator from Thinker Robotics. Fed up with your devices, always running off battery? Well, I have. Wish you had a portable power bank with a huge capacity of 25,000 mAh? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to build your own powerful power bank from scratch. So why late? Let's get started. First, gather up all your materials. You're gonna need a 3D printer, also a 3D printing filament of your choice. Then you're gonna need 4200 mAh lithium-ion batteries. Then you're gonna need a multimeter. Then you're gonna need a sandpaper. Then you're gonna need fast charging power bank module and also a soldering station, single stand wire and some wires. So the credits for designing our 3D printer case goes to Open Green Energy, thanks to them. Then buckle up your 3D printer and start printing the design. So this may take several hours, so we dive into the electronics part. Now take these batteries and check the voltages of the batteries using a multimeter. Ensure that the voltages of the battery is same for all the batteries. After checking the voltages, take a sandpaper and roughen the terminals of the positive and negative of the batteries. So this ensures a proper soldering connection.
2 hours later.
Take a single strand wire, then solder the positive side and the negative side parallel to all the batteries. And finally our 3D printing case is ready. Take the case and assemble all the parts and make sure that everything fits snugly. Now take this heavy duty wires and connect to our fast charging power bank module. Voila! You have your DIY 25,000 mAh fast charging power bank module that fast charges your phone more than speed of your rocket. The display helps you to get the battery level of your power bank so it never caught you off guard. For versatile connections, this power bank has two USB ports, one micro USB, also Type C, and for iPhone users we have lightning port. Despite all the features, the power bank is very compact and portable. There you have it, a DIY project which saves you ton of money but also gives you satisfaction of building your useful gadget using your brain hands. Comment below how your power bank turns out and share this video to your friends who are interested in DIY projects. Signing off, your curious creator.